Good evening, everyone. I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. In our weather headlines, hot temperatures and mainly dry conditions Sunday through Tuesday. So it'll be a hot few days ahead of us. Then a chance of some showers return midweek. We're talking about Wednesday there. And then cooler, pleasant temperatures next Wednesday through Saturday. So it'll be a welcome cool off after a hot few days ahead of us. Here's what we're tracking on our futurecast. Overnight, we're largely drying out, getting some cloudy conditions. But here's a look starting at 3 a.m., but here's actually a look at 4 a.m. And you're looking at some isolated showers in the Eaton Rapids area, and you could see a thunderstorm develop out of that. Some neighborhoods way south and west of us are getting some thunderstorms, but it's a smaller possibility for us. Now, we get to 5 a.m. on Sunday, and then you're looking at some isolated showers and possible thunderstorm activity down here, Coldwater, Hillsdale, Hudson area. Lansing's looking largely dry for Sunday throughout the day. And once we get to 9 a.m., those clouds will start to clear. We'll get that clearing. We'll get that sunshine back. And it's a largely dry day. But you do see a little stray shower pop up here or there. But overall, those would be quickly passing, light little stray showers. And we're largely dry. And we're going to be largely dry Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, but you have small chances for some showers or even a possible thunderstorm to develop on Monday. But overall, we are largely dry and getting a lot of sunshine, actually. And then Wednesday, we are looking at some scattered showers to move through some of our neighborhoods. And then we start drying back out again for Thursday, and we'll hit a stretch of very dry days after that as high pressure builds in. For your car wash forecast, I gave you a fair chance for today only because we're starting out with a few showers and possible isolated thunderstorms there. Overall, we are largely dry. Monday and Tuesday are primarily dry as well, so you're good to go. But you want to check in with us for timing. For tonight, we'll see an overnight low of 71 degrees. That small little chance of an isolated thunderstorm developing in a couple of neighborhoods. Overall, we're largely dry. For tomorrow, a high of 90 degrees. Yes, the heat is back, and it's going to stay around for several days. You start out on the cloudy side for tomorrow, and then you eventually end up as mostly sunny skies. So, yeah. The good and the bad with this 7-day forecast is the bad is the temperature. I mean, yeah, we're back into the 90s for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. By Tuesday night, though, a cold front moves in and cools us off starting on Wednesday, and we have temperatures nicely hovering around 80 degrees and even a little bit below that, but still very pleasant. And then high pressure will start building in. We'll get a lot of sunshine and several days of nice dry conditions and more comfortable temperatures. So that's going to do it now for your Fox 47 weather. I'll let you get back to our news.